Millions of Americans lost weight using Ozempic and Wegovy. But here's the shocking truth. Many gain it back fast after stopping. Why does this happen? And can it be prevented? In the last few years, diet injections like Ozempic, Wegovy, and Mounjaro became extremely popular in the USA. Celebrities, influencers, and everyday people reported dramatic weight loss. But now a new concern is rising: rapid weight regain after stopping these injections. Today, let's break down what science says, why this happens, and what people can do to avoid it. This video is for educational purposes, not medical advice. Let's get started. Why weight comes back so fast? These injections work by mimicking a hormone called GLP-1. This hormone reduces appetite, makes you feel full longer, and slows digestion. But here's the key issue. The medication does the work, not your metabolism. When people stop the injections, hunger hormones return, appetite increases suddenly, and metabolism remains slowed, so the body tries to regain the lost weight fast. What studies and doctors are seeing? Doctors in the U.S. report that many patients regain a large portion of lost weight within months after stopping. Why? The brain remembers the old weight. Lifestyle habits often don't change. Muscle mass may be lost during rapid weight loss. This isn't a failure of willpower, it's biology. The cost problem in the USA. Another major reason people stop: insurance often doesn't cover these drugs. Monthly cost can be $800 to $1,200. Long-term use becomes unrealistic, so people stop suddenly and the rebound hits. Can weight regain be prevented? Experts suggest 3 critical strategies. 1. Slow transition, not sudden stop. Doctors recommend tapering instead of quitting cold turkey. 2. Strength training is essential. Building muscle helps maintain metabolism. 3. Protein plus fiber-focused diet. This supports fullness naturally when medication stops. The injection is a tool, not a permanent solution. Final thought. Diet jabs can help with weight loss, but they don't replace lifestyle change. The real success comes when medication is paired with sustainable habits, long-term nutrition, and realistic expectations. If this video helped you understand the truth behind weight regain, like, share, and subscribe to ZenUp for science-based health insights.